Hi everyone, Devin here. This is my brand new 2020 M1 MacBook Air. I just bought this from Walmart. So here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Come a little closer. Okay, we got the plastic off. Go ahead and put that over there. I'll get that later. But anyway, moment of truth. Let's get the lid open. I do not like you getting into these things easily. Alright, somewhat. It's starting to come out. Say it. Okay. It's not easy coming out, that's for sure. First time I've ever gotten a MacBook brand new in the box. So this is new. Alright, we got the lid off. And there is the MacBook Air itself. Wow, isn't this thing pretty? You got your two USB-C ports, Thunderbolt, I believe. There's the back. Set that to the side. Let's see what all we get in here. We get our USB-C cable right here. And then we get some paperwork inside of here. We don't get much in there. And then lastly, you get your power adapter that your cable plugs into. And we need to get that out because I'm going to need it. Our paperwork can go back in though. I can get it back in there. Let's go ahead and put the lid back on. Then we'll get that plastic off in just a moment. Let me make sure this is the right way. Yep. This is the 256 model with 8 gigs of RAM. And we'll put that on the bed. Now it's time to take it out of the plastic. So here we go. Alright, here she is, unwrapped. Alright, let's set her on the desk. Let's see if I can get a good view for you. Get it open. There she is. Let's get this plastic thing off, or whatever this thing is. There we go. It's greeting us hello. And you can go ahead and end it. So that is